Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to turn on video autoplay in Parler. So let's start off by launching the application. Now click on these three dashes in the top left corner to bring up this menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Go a little bit to the bottom, and as you can see there's an option which says Video Autoplay. It is described as videos in your feed will autoplay if the videos types autoplay is supported. We can turn on the video autoplay option by just switching the switch off. On, I meant. And that's how you turn on video autoplay in Parler. So, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.